Good morning guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Winnipeg para magkarga ng precast dito sa multi-crate precast sa part ng Winnipeg ito. So kanina pa tayo dito alas 9 ng umaga. Ang oras natin ay 12:14 AM na. So napakabagal nila kumilos. Pero okay lang dahil tanghali pa lang naman. So inabot na tayo ng more than 2 hours dito. Ayun yung ano natin, ilag. So tara, ayun na yung ano natin, magkakarga. So yan yung ganyan yung karga natin guys. Ayun yung precast.
Masai! Yeah, straight! Yeah, wait. And then go west. More. Little more. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
My side. Yeah, you're good, my side. My side's low. Yeah. And then go west.
Baka pa little bit.
And down. Back little. Yeah.
This side. Yeah, but
Both.
oh. Keep.
Yeah.
Okay, straight.
Make it straight. You cut
Down.
it.
Down.
Down the other side. Yeah, down the side. Yeah, down. No. Back a little bit more than side.
Okay.
Okay. Come.
Down a little bit. Okay,
Yeah,
straight.
put you my side. Okay, down. You got it? Come in. Yeah, come in. Oh. The other side, not going down, all the way down.
A little bit.
And can you back up that side a little bit?
This side only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. And then push it.
Push. Okay, good.
Good.
Tingnan natin yung gauge natin. Perfect. So strapan na natin guys. Yung toe layer nilagyan ko ng ano, strap every 2 layers. Hoy, I forget to remove. Mahangin.
This one longer or shorter? The same size?
I think they're the same.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, if the same.
Yeah.
This is my center.
Yeah.
So
The center.
I'm gonna bring the piece over here.
So guys, tapos na tayong magkarga. Pulang-pula na ako, sobrang lakas ng hangin. Pahinga muna tayo. May dumating na isang kasama natin na Kelsey. Ayun na doon siya. Magkarga din siya. So pahinga lang tayo dahil medyo nilamig na yung paa natin. Medyo kumikirot, kaya pahinga tayo. Ano na lang naman, securement na lang ng load natin ang gagawin natin. So papakita ko sa inyo yung load natin. Dahan-dahan lang tayo baba. Baka madulas ulit tayo. So ayan yung load natin. Meron siyang 4 na kamada side by side. So huwag natin kakalimutan guys, lalagyan ng plastic corner dahil matalas to matalas tong semento. Ito matalas, kaya lagyan natin ng plastic corner. So okay naman siya. Walong semento ang kinarga natin na precast. 2, 4, 6, 8 walong kamada. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 16 piraso lahat. So ayan siya. Sobrang lakas kasi ng hangin, kaya pahinga muna tayo. So ayan, i-secure muna natin to guys. So yan lang muna ang ma-share natin sa ngayon. Alright, ingat-ingat at akong pogi lang. Kenji.
A few moments later.
So good morning guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa job site dito sa Thunder Bay. Nagtanggal na tayo ng strap at ito government project para ito. Ayan oh. Siguro gagawing school yan or ano, basta under siya ng government ng Thunder Bay. So andito tayo sa banda na residential area. Ayan oh, residential area. So nakapagtanggal tayo ng strap at tatanggalin pa natin yung ibang gamit natin. Ayan, nakapagtanggal na tayo ng strap. Siyempre hindi natin maabot yon. Kukuha tayo ng stick. Oops. Yan, gagamit sila ng crane.
You do some painting?
No, this is my
Yeah, you're
stick.
Is that good for painting walls?
Yeah,
You already had that joke.
yeah.
So we're starting here. These ones are going to be different on the other side.
Pang pintura kasi to. Tatawa sila. Ayan. So i-keep na natin to mga to. Umpisa natin doon. ito, hindi pwede natin na iiwan natin to dahil gagamitin din natin to sa susunod na mga load natin na kailangan ng corner, ng plastic corner protection. Naman to, bukod ang lagayan yan. Steel corner. Yan, para naman sa arena. Yan. So, meron pa dito sa kabila rin, tatanggalan natin. Okay na okay, Kenji. Narating tayong safe. Mamaya ligpit natin to strap. Building siguro to. Ito protection yan sa ano, kasi matalas ito eh. Ayan o, matalas, masisira yung strap natin. Residential area to yo. Problema mamaya pagbalik natin. Sana may daan doon or ano, atras tayo. Yung stick natin baka makalimutan. Siyempre babalik agad natin to. Kanina ginamit ko to, inisprayhan ko yung strap para malambot, pampalambot ng strap. So malambot, hindi siya frozen eh. Itong winder, napaka-importante ito dahil para mabilis tayo mag-roll ng strap.
You have another friend
Yeah,
that's on the road now?
yeah, he's on the road now. Maybe after lunch.
Yeah,
we're
yeah,
gonna- yeah.
So 2 trucks today,
Uh-huh.
2 trucks tomorrow. Is that the plan? Do you know?
Ah,
You don't know.
I don't know for the next day, just only today.
Two trucks today.
The 2 truck today. Yeah.
Because they were supposed to get some snow tonight.
Oh,
Lots of snow.
so I'm lucky today.
Yeah, you had a good day. Ice is not so good, but,
Yeah.
but we're kind of hoping that maybe they sent all 4 trucks.
Okay.
Today.
All right.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. I hope so because yesterday my body coming noon,
Yeah.
but very slow to load.
Slow.
Yeah, because they need to they are very careful how to load.
Very careful with the load.
They are very careful to load.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So that's why very slow.
Yeah. Is this a heavy load for you?
That's good. Not overweight. Just
Yeah, just right there.
yeah, that's good.
Not too bad.
Not too bad, yeah. Subo tayo sa English ah. Pasubo tayo kay Kuya sa English ah. Medyo nakakapagsalita na tayo na English na naintindihan naman nila. Ito, strap natin malambot kasi ano, inisprayhan ko siya ng washer fluid. So nagsiset up pa lang sila. Mabagal lang talaga kahapon mag-load kasi nga nag-ano pa sila ng production nila, nag-hustling, naglo-loading sila ng sariling truck, kaya mabagal sila. Then very careful sila sa pag-load din yan dahil baka magkabasag-basag siguro. Yellow, nanigas oh, frozen. Tingnan nyo pag wala akong gamit na winder. So pag walang winder, ganito ang paggamit niyan. So napakabagal mo. Ganyan oh. Unti-untiin mo lang yan. Pag bagal ang ikot, binibilisan ko na pa to ha. Binibilisan ko na yan. Mabagal. Pero pag merong ganito, salpak na natin kasi nakakangalay sa daliri din. Yan. So ang bilis ng ikot, di ba? Tapos agad. Tapusin muna natin to para makita pa natin kung paano sila mag-unload. So yun, may nakarga raw tayo na mali ang sukat, kaya ibabalik natin yung ibang precast. Siguro mga 5 precast na slab ang ibabalik natin sa pabrika, sa Miller Precast. Doon din natin ihahatid yan. Dito malapit din sa Thunder Bay. Hindi na natin ibabalik yan sa Winnipeg kasi malayo masyado. Meron dito silang yard sa Thunder Bay. So ipapa-arrange natin yung load natin kasi ang mali na load yung nasa pop trailer. So ipapalagay natin yung ibang precast dito sa lead trailer natin. So may mga pangyayari talaga ng ganyan. Hindi naman natin kasalanan yan. Yung kasalanan yan nung pabrika na na pinagkuhanan natin ng load. So hindi natin kasalanan yan. Bali, yun, ipapa-arrange natin yung load natin pagkatapos nila maibaba yung tamang sukat na precast na kailangan nila. So yun, tara, baba tayo. My dispatch said 1 hour, 1.5 hour we will be coming.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
And you want those to put to center.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, these guys.
okay.
Are you going to, let me just move that truck?
Yeah.
And you can just go out?
So I'm allowed to turn right there, or I will go back to here.
You can back up, eh?
I can go there then back up.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Because this is all residential.
Yeah. So that's why I'm
Yeah.
worried. Because if I'm go turn right,
Yeah.
I'm worried about the corner in Cameron.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I can turn.
So I'll go and I'll guide traffic for you if you want to back up.
Yeah. Okay.
If you want to turn right,
Turn right then
then
back up.
I'll flag the traffic,
Okay.
and then you can. This is better for you here.
Yeah, this better. It's
Okay.
wider,
Yeah,
wider.
we'll do
road.
that then.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, I start strap. Subo tayo sa English ah. Maybe 3 strap lang.
Are you gonna do?
Apat pala. Kailangan apat. Siyempre lagyan pa rin natin ng plastic corner kasi matalas yung ano eh. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Kahit malapit lang yan, lagyan pa rin natin.
Salamat sa buhay, sa bawat kilometro. Dito sa Canada, dala ko ang respeto. Walang arte, trabaho'y sagrado.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Laging ganado. Kailangan biyahe, takbogi lang kahit saan okay. Ngiti sa daan, walang sablay. Truck ko'y matatag, puso ko'y tunay. Tuloy lang ang biyahe, kalma lang kahit traffic o delay.
Mahangin na.
Kaibigan, ang makasama sa tagumpay. Tuloy lang, pogi ang drive. Yeah, yeah, Filipino Truckers Pro. Hindi lang driver, haligi ng kalsada. Pogi ang takbo, bro.
Biglang humangin ah. Okay, ayos na. Malapit lang naman. Ito ang huwag kalimutan dahil pag nakalimutan nyo ito kung saan maiwanan, tapos talaga wala kayong magagamit na winch bar. Let's go. Pagod tayo ng jacket. Ikot tayo doon. Tapos babalik tayo dito kasi residential daw yan eh. Sa traffic naman sila eh. Thank you. Thank you.
Head south on Harold Street, North Miles Street.
Maluwag naman pala yung Cameron. Baka pwede tayo.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Cameron Street.
Yan, nandito yung job site.
Turn left onto Vickers Street North, then turn left onto Cameron Street.
Kasi ito yung main road eh, kaya shit. Yung ano, kotse, nagkadulas-dulas sa kanya.
Turn left onto Cameron Street.
Residential area kasi ito eh, kaya ano eh.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Balmoral Street.
Yan, gano'n lang. Thank you lang tayo sa mga dinahanan natin. Ayan, Balmoral. Okay, yun lang guys. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Ganito ang mga dinideliveran namin. Kahit na Super B yung trailer natin, eh, nagdi-deliver tayo sa mga looban.